When eating with chopsticks, whether you're in Japan or elsewhere, it's vital to follow proper etiquette to show respect for the culture and your dining companions. Avoid standing chopsticks upright in your dish, as this resembles a funeral offering. Instead, place them side by side on the table or on a chopstick rest. Never rub your chopsticks together, as this implies they are cheap. And refrain from using them as skewers or pointing at people. When sharing food, always use designated serving chopsticks and never eat directly from a communal dish. It is also polite to break disposable chopsticks horizontally, pulling up and down instead of vertically, pulling left and right, and to lay them across a dish only when finished, replacing disposable chopsticks in the wrapper after use. Remember to lift your bowl to your mouth while using chopsticks, but don't shove food in your mouth. By adhering to these guidelines, you can enjoy your meal while respecting the customs associated with chopstick use.